Let me tell you about this machine. This in Italian, La Dolce Vita. It's called La Dolce Vita. In Italian means the sweet life. Well, this machine does it all. The grinding, the pressing, the extraction, the disposal of the coffee, all automatic. Just delivered in your cup is either a single, a double, a single decaf and a double decaf, and two more variations. The machine has got a double grinder container up here where you can get the regular and the decaf. Inside, of course, is very complex system, totally automatic, that as I said, it presses the beans and the water and etc., everything is done automatically. This machine happened to be in almost as great condition as brand new, since it has been used less than a year. So we can show how perfect the condition this unit is. You can see the unit all in excellent condition inside, ready for use. This is it. It's got a steamer with a sensor inside for the milk temperature, and this is it. Ciao, grazie, arrivederci.